Hi, this is Joel Temperlane. This is a 2018 Honda Clarity with a broken driver's side tail light. I think I'm the first person to ever have to change the tail light, so I'm going to give instructions on how to do it for people in the future who may have a broken tail light. There's two tabs on the trunk. There's a little notch in there where you can pry it open and pop it out. So that's one. And man, sorry, this trunk is really kind of, before I get started on this, I'm gonna vacuum the trunk first. I'm gonna put this somewhere where I won't lose it. I'll put it over here. So, like I said, there was two things in here, so I took the one out already. Let's get the other one. Alright, and then just put that somewhere where you'll remember it. I think this panel comes off. Or not, it's like carpeting. And there's three of those, so there's another one right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Take that off and put that. Now this should, yeah, there we go. There's the housing for the tail light. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like this is a clip, electric clip that pulls out pretty easily. A little tab right there. Push that in. And then there's a couple other things. So get your right size socket. Start with this, one of these. And then you just gotta guess. Now this is a Japanese car. I think it's made in Japan. So we'll start with a metric set. That's too big. And that fits, and that is a 8mm. So then set it on the loose setting. There's one. There's 3 more to go. Which way is? Okay. There. 2 down, 2 to go. 3. One more. Okay. So now this is the part that I don't. And actually, and what happened with this is, you can see this all got broken right here, and I gotta touch up some paint. So it wasn't my fault, but I backed into a tree. Problem with the Honda Clarity because the backup camera didn't show the tree. And then it was a blind spot in the rear view spot there where you can't see. It wasn't my fault. It's kind of a 1 in a million thing that was due to the backup camera being not appropriate for use on this brand of vehicle. And actually, I'll show you. I'm going to pull up a stick here that looks like that'll represent the tree. Hold that right about there. So that's going to represent the tree. Now watch. All right. Here's the backup camera. Oh, the trunks. Will you close the trunk? Oh, wait. And there's proof that's right where it hit.
Can you show us what cloth you use?
Microfiber. Red. Okay. Alright, next, get your new lighting unit. Looks like I'll probably start here. Put that on there. And hopefully it pops into place. And then you pop that back in place. Don't forget to plug in your lights. Let's test to see if it works. Flashing. White light. Reverse. So now you just need to put the bolts back on. Do with those other. Carpet back. I'd asked you to keep track of those for me. I'm busy doing this. All right. Get your tools out of the trunk so you're not a target for theft. All right.